Here in Chicago today, it's -6, and customers call us about block heaters. Hey, I had my truck plugged in all night last night and it won't start in the morning. Can you tell me why? Can you help me out? Well, typically it's your block heater. You know, these things are on a truck getting salt and corrosion just like the rest of the electrical components. Sometimes the prongs are missing inside the block heater attachment, or it's simply just a bad block heater in the block. You can take the cords off, we can put an ohm meter on and see if the block heaters are working properly or not. But that's typically why they don't work. So if you guys need something with your block heater in this nasty cold, give us a call. We're The Wrench in Chicago, 630-230-6665.